Creating a portfolio on Dribbble, a platform for designers and creatives, involves the following steps. Sign up and set up profile. Register for a Dribbble account. Complete your profile with a profile picture, bio and relevant details about your skills and experience. Upload your work. Upload your design projects, illustrations, animations or other creative works. Use high-quality images or videos to showcase your best work. Ensure each shot provides context and details about the project. Organize and tag your shots. Organize your shots into projects or categories. Add relevant tags and descriptions to help users discover your work when searching on Dribbble. Engage with the community. Engage with other creatives by liking, commenting, and following their work. Participate in discussions, join design challenges, and contribute to the community to increase visibility. Get involved in teams or hiring. Join teams or participate in job postings on Dribbble. This allows you to collaborate with other designers or potentially attract clients and job opportunities. Regularly update your portfolio. Keep your portfolio updated with your latest work. Continuously refine and add new projects to showcase your evolving skills and style. Share and promote your portfolio. Share your Dribbble portfolio on social media, personal websites, or professional networks to reach a broader audience and attract potential clients or employers.